Cyber Lesson Day 1. I want you to complete the activities I do on index cards as I explain them to you. If you do not have index cards, you can complete them on any type of paper. First, I want you to draw a staff, 5 lines, and 4 spaces. If you do not have a ruler, that is fine. You can just trace over lines on the paper. You can use graph paper. You can use a straight edge off a book, another index card. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, there's a basic staff, 5 lines. We're going to start with treble. You're going to draw a treble clef. Start slightly above the top line and go down to the bottom line. Then start your curve to the right and around, bottom, up to the middle, and around the second line. It's important that you allow it to circle that second line, because this is telling you it's a G clef, and it is circling this line because this is G. This is G. This is the G clef, also known as treble clef. I would like for you to label the lines and spaces. You may know several sentences to help you remember. Every good boy does fine, whatever. But this is G. This is E, B, D, F. Then you also have face. F, A, C, E. As you can see, I'm not grading on neatness because these are tiny little notes, not accurate at all, and these are great big notes. If I was being accurate, these notes would be bigger. But to make it all fit on a little bitty index card, I cheated. You also have notes below the staff, and it goes in order. E, this note right here would be D on this ledger line. This is a ledger line. You can actually spell it L-E-D-G-E-R or L-E-G-E-R. Both are correct. And this is middle C. You can go further down. This note right here would be D. This note would be C. This note would be B. This is A. It goes in order. A, this space note would be B, this line note C, next space note D, line E, then F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So above the top line, it would be G. And in music, after G, we have A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Starts all over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is the treble clef. If you need to pause the video and get caught up, pause the video and make a card, or at the top of a piece of paper, make a card or section that looks like this. When you're finished, I want you to make another one for the bass clef. So make 5 lines. And then you're going to draw the F clef. You will start on the 4th line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw half a heart up to the top and back down to the bottom. And then 2 dots on either side of the 4th line. Just like the treble clef has to circle the 2nd line because that is G and it is telling you that that is G. This one, these 2 dots have to go on either side of the 4th line because it is telling you that this is F. This is the F clef. Then draw notes on each one. You have A, C, E, G. You could do all cows eat grass. And then you have good boys do fine always. And then you also have ledger lines here. If you went right below the bottom line, then it's right before G, so this would be F. Before F would be E. Before E would be D. And you can go above. This would be B. This would be C. Notice it goes in order. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. In order. If we combine them, this is what you would have. This is middle C. It is between the bass and treble clef. And this gives you a wide range of notes. This is what you typically see in choral music. If you were looking at a hymnal, you would see words right here in between. They separated them out a little more so they could fit more words. And sometimes altos sing below the staff. Sometimes tenors sing well above the staff. But originally it was more like this when they placed notes on the staff. I have a hymnal here. I will show you. And here's your staff. What I would like for you to do as your assignment is name the notes. This one's better. We won't do all of it because it's long. But what I want you to do is name the notes. Starting at the very beginning, you can use your cards that you made to help you name the notes. But in order, I want you to name the note. You don't have to do all 4 parts. You can choose a part. But if you're going to do soprano, being the top note of the treble, write soprano on it, and then name the notes. The top note. Name the top notes. If you want to do alto, write alto. If you want to do tenor, write tenor on your card and name the tenor notes. Bass, write bass on your card and name the bass notes. Do what I am showing right now on the screen. You can pause it. You can rewind and watch it again as you need to. That is lesson 1 for your Cyber Day.